Aereo, real estate photography delivery platforms might be in trouble. For years, most of us handle delivery the same way. Shoot the house, dump the photos in Google Drive or Dropbox, text the agent the link, send the invoice separately. Eventually, that starts to become a hot mess. So, over the last few years, photographers started moving towards platforms like Aereo, Spiro, HD Photo Hub, systems that completely changed the business side of real estate photography. Scheduling, payments, property websites, branded delivery, client portals. And honestly, those platforms have already changed the industry. But now things are shifting again. Because companies aren't just trying to handle delivery anymore. Now they're handling editing, virtual staging, twilights, revisions, same-day turnaround, luxury property websites, AI workflows. So when Fotello told me they're combining all this into one system, I had to test it against the two platforms I'm already using, Aereo and Spiro, which I made a video about here. Let's get into it. My name is Cole Connor, and I was put here to do three things: create, inspire, love. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. My name's Cole Connor. I built 2 real estate media businesses, one on the East Coast, one on the West, shot thousands of homes, and now I'm teaching people like you how to do the same and diving into the industry that is photography. A few months ago, I made the Aereo versus Spiro video. People seem to engage, like it, because it is an interesting question. Which one is better? Should you use one or should you use two? And I actually ended up using both because I liked things from both of them. Each platform solved a different problem for me. But now Fotello's entering the conversation, which I've talked about before on the channel. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'm always talking about things going on in photography as a creative entrepreneur, just trying to make it happen. Just trying to stay afloat and thrive and survive. So subscribe if you haven't. Still, even with all the improvements that have been made over the past few years, it's a lot of different things that you're working with. Eventually your business starts to feel like you're managing different softwares instead of being a photographer. That's why this conversation gets interesting. To me, Aereo feels like an industry standard. It's one of the most popular ones. Zillow recently acquired them, so now Zillow Showcase runs through Aereo. They have a free version. It's a very powerful program, and aesthetically, I like it more than Spiro. And I don't know if I'm saying Spiro right. I've heard people say Spiro. I'm just saying Spiro. The platform's polished, delivery pages are professional, the client experience is smooth. But what it does not do in any way, just like Spiro, it does not do editing, which is crazy that Fotello's doing it all. Really, I like Aereo at this point, using both for a while, in almost every way more than Spiro, except for the pricing page. I like that you can see my pricing in my packages without having to build out my website page. And that's just because I'm lazy and I haven't wanted to rebuild my pricing page. I had it built and then I got rid of it and then I was like, I don't want to rebuild it. And I just like how it's listed on Spiro. Pretty much everything else, yeah, I like Aereo better. So let's dive into what Fotello has to offer. Let's hop into the computer. This is my first look, truly, doing the whole thing with Fotello. It's a little comfortable. Lean back a little. Okay, I did this shoot in Altadena, California. And I say, I'm just gonna sign it. I used Fotello for most of the edits. I'm just going to put myself as the customer. I technically delivered it with Aereo, but I want to see exactly how this is going to look. Cool. Sign to me. Let's fill out everything. So when I go to listings, it's already been edited. As you can see, this was a construction company, and they had, a lot of stuff going on in it, and they said I could just edit it out. So what I actually did was I brought it into Lightroom and I just did the remove tool. But I'm gonna say, please remove the furniture, fix the floors. Well, it did it. It just didn't fix this side. That's pretty cool. Anyways, we're not gonna focus on that. So in this listing, this was a construction company, and some of them I did have to bring into Lightroom and edit, which you can also do in Fotello. So I'm dumping the bracketed photos in here. It's blending them together, editing them immediately. I've assigned it to myself. Boom. You can do custom property name. Let's say new build. I'm just filling this out so we have something to work with. New custom build and Altadena, beautiful. What brand? I don't know, brand new on large. The built area, it was probably like 1,200 lot size, let's say. let's just say it's 0.5, built in 2026. This had 3 bedrooms, 1 story, let's say 1 bath and 1 half bath, 4 parking. Let's say the neighborhood is Altadena. What do you call neighborhoods? Alternate Way or something, I don't know. Beautiful new neighborhood in Los Angeles. Boom. Okay, filling that out. Listing status. Let's say it's for sale. Let's say it's going live today. Let's say the listing price is let's say it's cheap. Let's say it's $950. Cheap. Property type, single family home, amenities. It does have mountain views. Let's say it had, it was a gated community. Say those 2 things. Let's say the MLS was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Saving that info. Okay. Photos, videos. Oh, you can add custom videos now, which that was a big thing I was worried about. Photos. So now inside of it, you can create branded and unbranded video from your photo. It looks like, wow, super simple, but you probably do more. You can make cuts. Wow. You can create different versions of the video. You can add VFX. What? Did not know this. You can add some of these effects. Okay. Wow. Wow. I had no idea about this. Okay, so now I found out. So to make these videos, it's $28 per creation. So I'm not gonna do that right now, but that's really cool. Love that. Getting a little sidetracked here. So much you could do with this program. Okay, virtual tours. So you can add your virtual tours, your URL link, and then now this is going to create the websites. I think I need to let me reorganize the photos a little bit more, just so that's the first on the website. Okay. So they have all these premium templates. Here, video, floor plan. I mean, it's very similar to Aereo and Spiro. I mean, it's not like, I mean, I might even like some of these websites better. Like, this is super dope. Super luxury. It feels very luxury. This is a premium website, so you'll be billed $2 for this listing. $2 for this website. I mean, I had a client the other day. I was trying to share with them different templates, and I think they didn't use me, and it was a huge listing because they didn't like what was on Aereo and Spiro. So it's kind of crazy. I mean, this one's really nice. I really like this one. This one's also nice. It's taking some of the photos and creating. I mean, this feels luxury. This is great. I think I would choose this over Aereo and Spiro at this moment. So these are all ones that cost extra. And it makes sense because they feel good. And so I'm assuming you could bake this into what you're charging the client, or you could charge them an additional fee for different ones. And the free template, okay, that makes more sense. This is the free template. The other ones cost a little extra. So how much does this one cost? So $2. They're all $2. Super cool. I really like this. That's super nice. So we'll stick with the basic for now. Floor plans, websites, we did that, and then orders. So this is another thing. They're creating, you can create a full scheduling, a storefront, which I haven't even done yet, which is super dope. So, and they kind of create this for you, but let's say signature photography. For me, my signature, let's edit it. So storefront, products, photo. We'll just use this for now. Tier 1. Let's add a pricing tier. So for me, it would be $350 for standard photography. Between 0 and 3,000 square feet. Let's just leave it for that one for now. Let's update. They have an order form. So this is my direct order form here. It has my logo. Colearpausebow.com. Love that. Love that. Same thing as with Spiro and Aereo. I wish that you could see the pricing before having to put in the property details. But let's just say the property, let's say the square footage is 2,000. I mean, this is really nice though. I like the way it looks. It's similar to Aereo and Spiros from an ordering perspective. You can add your packages. You can add your floor plans, your 3D virtual tour, your signature, your cinematic. But so let's say I'm just going to add this. I like that. Automatically add-ons pop up. Same day delivery, which I do offer with Fotello. And I like how it gives... I really like that. I really like that. Reduce days on market by up to 30% with these add-ons. Virtual staging. Virtual twilight. I love that. Boom. Order summary. Lets you know your preferred date and time. Then let's say I want to do 10 a.m. on Friday. How will you access the property? Lockbox. There is a new pool. Continue as guest. Just gonna put my email. Continue. Boom. No payments required right now. Request booking. I mean, that's a super simple process. I think it's, like I said, similar to some of the other ones. I like, it's kind of making the sales for you, which I do like. You can create an account. Cool. So now let me go back to Fotello's backend. Gives you a whole setup guide where you can submit everything, get your own domain, enable payments, add a team member, personalize it, do your calendar sync so it automatically connects to your calendar, your service areas. Love that. Everything that you need, it literally does. Your legal, which is important, terms and conditions. You can have intake questions. Yeah, it's great. You can customize. Cool, cool. Optional payment at booking. I mean, it's literally got everything you need. It's crazy. Then you have a customer portal. Got it. Availability. Connecting it to your calendar. Easy. Wow. I love it. So that's your storefront. So then we delivered the listing. I feel like I'm liking it more right now. I don't know if am I tripping, but I think I like it more. And so now what I'm going to do is go here and I'm going to deliver this. There's no open invoice for this listing. The customer won't be prompted to pay upon delivery. Collect online payments from customers. I just have to set up payments, which we can check that out. What does that do? Connect your bank, start earning, get paid on time, cards on file, instant payouts. Cool. Everything you want. Cool. So we go back to deliver. New builds media is ready for you. This listing media is now ready. View listing media view, just like, you know, all the Bang ones. That's how you do it. Let's send the email. Cool. Let's go view listing media. I didn't have to pay beforehand because I didn't pay for it, obviously. Shows the photos, the videos, the floor plan, the website, which they can immediately click on. Cool, okay. So it's charging me $2, but it's for the client, they could unlock all for $20. All the different templates. So they get to see which versions they want. That's cool. And then if they click view branded website, Fotello, I am impressed. Especially with the templates, it looks fantastic. Okay. Everything's easy. Boom. This is huge. You can import your edited photos for delivery. So let's say I'm not liking exactly how Fotello is doing it, or it's not fixing it how I want it. Even though they have their own editors who can adjust it, I can upload my own photos, my own video, which is huge because you don't have to depend on their editing. If you want a different style, you can still use their delivery. Okay, so now recently Aereo's gotten to virtual staging. We have companies like Draft 360 who are doing, you're taking the photos, they're doing the editing, they're also doing delivery. We have Fotello who they're not taking the photos, but they are editing the photos, they're doing virtual staging, they're doing video, product order forms, delivery, property websites. Then you have Spiro, who's kind of where Aereo is. So the big shift is that real estate photography workflows are collapsing into fewer tools. And I think Fotello is changing the game with the editing the photos. You can import the edited photos. They have all these tools, these AI tools to make listings stand out. Some of their pricing is convoluted. And maybe that's not the right word. It starts to add up, and it's a lot of different things you have to pay attention to, which makes sense. But I think once you understand it and you understand, they're making it clear what they're charging, but I think in your head, it can start to add up faster than you think, which is why they have a pay-as-you-go plan. And I think they've made it way more clear over the past 6 months how they're charging for different things. I think if I were doing it, I would probably just go ahead and pay for the more luxury websites if they want that and just charge the client. I love how the scheduling works. And I love this part here, Realtor Collaboration, a collaborative platform that lets realtors review request changes and even buy more in a seamless branded experience. So the realtor can go in and request these things. Like they can literally type in, hey, I want to remove, like this is an example, I want to remove the cars from the front, and your team will do that. And then here, auto upsell. The auto upsell feature is huge. I absolutely love that. And the fact that there's and I'm looking at their home page right now, unlimited storage, 24/7 support. It's like the only thing that Aereo's winning with is having the Zillow thing. Other than that, Fotello's really making a jump. For me, it's definitely over Spiro and HD Photo Hub. And it's kind of just like, which tool do you want to use? And I'm going to be filling out my full thing in Fotello, and I'm going to test it out. And if you want some free listings with Fotello, because they do charge per editing, per listing. I believe it's $28 per listing. Let me make sure that's right. Yeah, so you can... So here they go, which is kind of interesting. This is competing with Aereo. They have a free version. The free version includes unlimited bookings, order form, professional media delivery, editing of up to 30 photos per listing with Fotello branding. That's interesting. Co-branded agent portal. And then, the essential $28 per listing is the editing up to 50 photos per listing. Yeah, so the free gets no revision. Still gives you 30 photos per listing, which is very interesting. Really crazy. I don't even know how they're doing that. But if you want to try Fotello for free, get some free essential listings, check the link in the description. Click my link, helps me out, helps you out. I'm so curious where this is all going to go. Fotello ultimately just feels very ambitious. It's the most ambitious. They're growing fast. I know the company. I know the people that work in there. They're really going hard at it. So I'm excited to see. If you guys want, I'll do a follow-up. I'll try some more listings with Fotello, with Aereo, and just kind of see some of the feedback. Or if there's any other specific thing or specific program you want me to check out, let me know. I will catch you guys later. Hi there, thanks for watching. If you really liked it, maybe you'll like some of these too. While you decide, here's some music. Enjoy!